up guys, Thomas here, Tipper Parts Rc-Xtreme, G-Pit, Team Corel Kagama. I'm gonna give my best to see if I can do any kind of jumping here, but I'm not so sure about it. Time will tell. You know, I officially sucks at ramp sessions. Well, that turns out okay. Real good. Still in one piece, guys. You know, flat landing at its finest. Yep, that's a lot better landing in the gravel, guys. I still feel real insecure on ramping. Yep, we definitely broke it. Sure, driver's error. God damn, sorry for that. But that wasn't strange, you know. I over-rotated and didn't have any more rotation force on the wheels. Okay. Okay, yeah. No? Okay, so it snapped out from the rear, it seems. Or flexed out. Okay, so it seems to be in one piece. Everything straight. No broken, so to speak. Okay, well, sorry. I'm more than pleased. To be honest, I wasn't even sure that I would be able to bash, you know, not a long time, but for a while. So okay, so I lost my drive shaft. Can you believe it? Can you effing believe it? Super happy. Speak to you soon, guys. Bye. Okay, so not so sure about that. I'm gonna do my best. This is gonna be super quick. It's nothing new on this car. It's the same titanium standoffs from customers upgrades. Sanded mid-diff aluminum cup for 100% flatness. 150k if I'm not mistaken in the mid. Rest is untouched. Running 500 in the rear, 600 in the front. Stock motor, stock pinion, stock ESC, 6S brick. And running my own transmitter and receiver. That's it, guys. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.